Hey guys, it's Sam with The Blind Life. Welcome back to another episode of Blind Rewind. In this video, I'm showing an accessible sewing kit that uses sewing needles with a spiral eye design. This design makes it super easy to thread your needles without needing to even look at them, especially if you have low vision and you can't actually see to thread the needle. So even though this video is super old, about 9 years old at this point, I think you guys will find it interesting.
So I have a problem today. I have a comforter here that has sprung a leak. I have a big hole in my comforter here in one of these panels, and all the down feathers are coming out. So now I've got all my stuff here and I'm ready to go, but I thought this would be a perfect opportunity to show off this cool little tool that I have that makes it easier for me to do something like this. And in this case, I have this really cool low vision sewing kit, and I've been meaning to do a video about this, so I figured this was a perfect opportunity. This little kit, and I'll put links down below to different kits like this. There's probably hundreds of different kinds. It's just a normal little sewing kit. It comes with all your basic stuff, thread, little tiny scissors, a thimble. The real magic is in this little container here. We open this up, and this is full of needles. Now these needles come in different sizes, different gauges maybe. Would it be gauges? Kind of like thickness of wire is a gauge. Maybe thickness of needles would be gauges too. I'm not sure. The cool thing about these needles is they have this special eye. It's not a completely closed in eye. And I'm going to show a close-up picture of one of these so you guys can get an idea of the way the eye is designed. It's opened on one end, but it's specially designed that once you get the thread in there, it really can't come out very easily. So these types of needles make it possible for me to thread my own needle. And that is awesome. I can't tell you how awesome that is. So many times I've tried to hold a needle up underneath a CCTV and with a piece of thread try and line it up perfectly. But you guys know that when you're looking at a CCTV, there's no depth perception. You can't tell exactly where this thing is going. This little, very delicate tip of the thread, trying to thread it through that little tiny eye, it can be quite a nightmare. So this makes it so much easier. All right, I've got a piece of thread here, and I've just tied it into a loop, brought the two ends together and tied them into a knot so that it is just a loop here. And I have my special needle, and then very simply you just put the needle in on one side here and slowly pull the thread up until it catches on the eye, and you're good to go. Your needle is threaded. Now you do run the risk of this thread coming out of the eye because it is open, but as long as you keep pressure on it, it won't come out. Now you can start to sew up your hole. Now one of the main reasons why I tie the ends like this so that I have a loop of thread is after you make your first stitch here, you can come back through, put the needle through that loop on the other end, pull it tight, and now we're anchored in. This is not coming out. So now you can continue to just go through and do your stitches. Okay, well there we go. Our repair is done. The hole is stitched up. It's not the prettiest job in the world, but because normally, you know, whatever had the hole in it, you would flip it inside out, stitch it up, and then flip it right side out, and you would never see all the stitching like that. It would be pretty seamless. But you can't do that in this case, and also it's going to be covered up with a duvet cover, so it's not that big of a deal as long as it's closed up and no more feathers are popping out. Well, there you go, guys. Definitely check out those sewing needles. As I said, I'll put a link down below where you can find them. They're great just to have on hand for real quick fixes like this, or you know, to sew up your kid's stuffed animal, or just about anything.
All right, guys, thank you so much for watching. As always, this is Sam with The Blind Life. If you have any questions, let me know. As always, this is Sam with The Blind Life. If you have any questions, let me know down below. Let me know down below. And if you like this content, be sure to subscribe to The Blind Life and stay tuned next week for another Blind Rewind.